Today, we're introducing POLASTAR, a patented 3D weld inspection system from Coretec. Manual inspections can be repetitive and time-consuming, requiring significant manpower to ensure quality across every weld. POLASTAR changes that with robots and 3D cameras fully automating inspections. It scans and analyzes each weld in just 1.5 seconds, performing both tasks simultaneously. The system works with various welding types, including arc welding, laser welding, and the increasingly popular tailor blanks. It optimizes the inspection process for each type, ensuring precise and consistent results. With over 30 built-in inspection criteria, no additional setup is required. Each weld is inspected based on specific criteria, with thresholds set for the highest accuracy. When a defect is detected, the system highlights the problem area in red, making it easy to spot and correct. This allows for quick feedback and rework, ensuring every weld meets the required standards. The POLASTAR system is ideal for mass production in industries like automotive, heavy machinery, rail cars, and steel framed housing. With up to 48 terabytes of storage, it securely holds 3D shape data and inspection results, ensuring complete traceability for every inspection. POLASTAR, the future of quality control. Brought to you by AGT.